Hi, my name's Bill Sundevil, and it's my pleasure to be the head of Sundevil Prep School. The courts I'm standing on were put here 18 years ago, thanks to the wonderful generosity of the Walthill family. But after a number of state championships and district titles, and countless rallies in our PE classes and summer prep kids clinics, our courts are looking a wee bit tired now. So this summer, we will begin to renovate and expand our tennis facility. We'll have 6 courts so we can host tournaments and shaded benches on each court. There will be bathroom facilities on site and water fountains to quench our thirst. To top it off, there will be plenty of seating and a walkway for spectators to enjoy the matches. So get in the game and support Sundevil Tennis.
Oh, sorry.